Hey coin collectors! Today, we're checking out a unique piece. The 2008 Tunisia 100 Millième coin. This coin is made of insert metal, e.g. aluminum bronze, and has a face value of 100 millièmes. On the obverse, you'll find brief description, e.g. the Tunisian coat of arms or a national symbol, while the reverse shows brief description, e.g. denomination and year. Even though it was minted fairly recently, this coin is interesting for collectors because insert rare detail or collectible fact, e.g. limited circulation, design variations, or historical context. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned numismatist, adding this Tunisian coin can make your collection truly international. Closing shot, coin spinning or on display. Narrator. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support our channel, Rare Coins and Lost Antiques. Stay tuned for more rare and fascinating coins from around the world.